Top 10 instructing facts. 1. The oldest known human-made structure is a 12,000-year-old building in Turkey called Göbekli Tepe. 2. The first human heart transplant took place in 1967 in South Africa. 3. Fungi can communicate and exchange information with each other via a vast underground network of mycelium. 4. Bananas contain a natural chemical that can make people feel happy. 5. A shark's skin is covered with tiny teeth-like structures called dermal denticles. 6. The first computer virus was created in 1983 and was called the Elk Cloner. 7. The first website was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 and is still online today. 8. 5 feet 6 inches but was often portrayed as shorter. 9. The world's first smartphone was created in 1992 by IBM and was called the Simon Personal Communicator. 10. Wi-Fi is a shortened term for wireless fidelity, but it's not an acronym. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, friends.